Hey everyone, today we've got a thrilling topic that will spark your creativity. We are going to delve into 8 remarkable examples of successful influencer marketing campaigns. If you are seeking inspiration for your next influencer campaign, you are in the right place. Influencer marketing has proven to be a highly effective strategy in digital marketing, and these case studies showcase just how impactful it can be. So, let's dive into these real-world success stories to learn what makes influencer marketing truly shines. First, American Express, My Travel Style. American Express, a leading financial services brand, recognized the power of influencer marketing to communicate their message directly to their target audience. With the My Travel Style campaign, they aim to engage young business professionals, entrepreneurs, and avid travelers. By partnering with famous athletes, bloggers, and celebrities, American Express created relatable content that resonated with their audience. The results? An astounding 400% boost in acquisition rates on Facebook alone. Second, Lyft, expanding with influencers. Lyft, the popular rideshare service in the United States, recorded 5.9 million engagements per year by collaborating with influencers. Their strategy involves working with a variety of influencers, from celebrities to micro-influencers, to extend their messaging to diverse audiences. This versatile approach contributed to their remarkable success. Third, FabFitFun, leveraging celebrity influence. FabFitFun, a lifestyle subscription brand, harnessed the influence of celebrity cook Aisha Curry since 2014. They have worked with over 10,000 influencers, including their customers. Their influencer marketing campaigns, particularly those involving customers, have been instrumental in the brand's impressive growth rate of 3 times per year. 4. BMW Road to Coachella. BMW's Road to Coachella campaign featured top Instagram influencers who showcased BMW automobiles as their means of transportation to the Coachella Music Festival. A luxury example of influencer marketing demonstrated the power of creating engaging content by influencers while using high-end products. This campaign resulted in substantial engagement and brand exposure. Fifth, HelloFresh, micro-influencers and UGC. HelloFresh, the recipe-box delivery service, has embraced influencer marketing with a focus on micro-influencers. Their hashtag HelloFreshPics campaign encouraged users to share their own images, fostering user-generated content. By collaborating with lifestyle, cooking, and motherhood influencers, HelloFresh effectively reached its target audience of busy moms and young professionals who value health and nutrition. Number 6. Dunkin' rebranding with Charlie D'Amelio. Dunkin' embarked on a rebranding journey and enlisted influencer Charlie D'Amelio, a TikTok sensation with over 130 million followers. Her collaboration led to the creation of the Charlie Cold Brew, which gained rapid popularity. The campaign saw a substantial increase in sales, app downloads, and the launch of the Charlie and Dunkin' merch collection. 7. Pepsi, Say It with Pepsi. Pepsi aimed to boost sales at Walgreens by launching a limited edition Pepsi emoji product line. They leveraged influential creators to develop original content promoting the product on social media. The campaign targeted millennials, showcasing the effectiveness of influencer marketing in engaging the younger demographic. 8. Häagen-Dazs local influencer engagement. Häagen-Dazs ran an influencer campaign to promote BOGO, buy one get one ice cream promotions in New York City. They collaborated with local influencers who captured the essence of the city and positioned Häagen-Dazs as an indulgent treat to enjoy with friends. The campaign's localized, social-centric approach resulted in increased engagement and brand awareness. There you have it, 8 fantastic examples of successful influencer marketing campaigns that can inspire your next move in the influencer marketing landscape. These brands have shown us that selecting the right influencers, creating various types of content, and reaching diverse audience are pivotal factors in achieving impactful online marketing. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to effectively measure influencer performance and analyze their audience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.